to Betty's cooking channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a keto angel food cake. These are the items that I will be using today. I have my mixer, stevia, almond flavor, vanilla flavor, stevia, salt, egg white protein. I have 8 eggs. I'm going to use distilled vinegar because I can't find my cream of tartar. It's not too many dishes I use it in, but you can replace cream of tartar with vinegar, lemon, and there's some other substitutes. And I have some spray to spray my bundt pan here. Let me get started. I added a half a teaspoon of vinegar in it. thought I had the camera on, but I didn't. But that's all I added in there, and I'm gonna let it whip up. Okay, I'm gonna turn it recorder off. It's gonna take a little while, but I'll show you what it looks like. I added the cup of stevia. I added a teaspoon of almond flavor, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and 10 drops of liquid stevia. I'm going to let it run for a little bit longer before I added the sugar and everything in there. The KitchenAid had been running for about 6 minutes, okay? I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven at 325 degrees. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and slow it down a little bit and add the egg white protein. Just little by little. I'm not going to dump the whole cup, just a little bit at a time. Because you want to keep that air in those eggs. That's what's going to make the angel food cake delicious. Spatula, so move that to the side of the bowl. Notice the beautiful peaks on the egg beater. So now I'm gonna bring my pan over here, my bundt pan. I'm gonna spray it. Some people don't spray theirs, but I'm spraying mine. And I have done it without spraying the pan, and it will come out after it cooled down. So let me remove the blade, the beater. Try to get some of this goodness off of here first. It smells so good. Now, if you want to make this into not a keto one, but what you would do is just add the same amount of flour I added as I added the egg white protein, okay? So you can make the old-fashioned angel food cake if you like. Don't think you can't make this because you don't have the egg white protein If you're not keto, you know, just add flour. Add the same amount of flour I added. And you have the old-fashioned angel food cake. My mother used to buy this all the time for us when we were growing up. She made a lot of cakes, but she did not make this one. Try to smooth this out a little bit. See, I got most of it out of there. Okay, there you go. Okay, bounce it a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the 325-degree oven. I just took the keto angel food cake out of the oven. It's still hot. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, okay? It looks really delicious. That's what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. It looks fantastic. You can tell that it's done. It cooked for 32 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn it over. See these little things standing up there? I'm gonna turn it over so it will fall out of the pan after it cools off. So just turn this upside down here on the counter. Just make sure your counter is nice and clean. And I'm gonna dry it off. And when it cools off, I'm gonna taste it. So keep watching, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and taste it after it cools off. But I'm cleaning the counter off now. So I'll just flip it over like that. On my Burnett pan, you can see the little legs there. So eventually when it cools off, it will fall on the counter there, okay? Okay, I just took it out of the pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and taste it. So give me a minute. At this point, you could add some strawberries to it and whipped cream. But I'm just gonna taste it just the way it is. I'll show you what it looks like in the inside. See, that looks just like angel food cake, right? Just like angel food cake. So let me go ahead and taste it. I cut a piece of it. There it is there. And I'm gonna taste it. There it is, up close. It's really good. Really, really good. It tastes just like the regular angel food cake, but this is 0 carbs. 0 carbs keto angel food cake. Very good. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.